Rustic weddings. Do I love them or don't? Hi, I am here today to talk about this rustic trend going on in weddings. Rustic chic, rustic boho, rustic, rustic. I've been a designer for 30 years. I get requests for hundreds of weddings every year. Girls come to me and they say, I want that rustic look. I say, we can do a little rustic, but when it comes to burlap and mason jars, for example, let's talk about that. I say to the girls, are you wearing a burlap dress for your wedding? Is that where this burlap thing is coming from? No. Okay. Are you canning after the wedding? Peaches and no. Okay, then why are we doing burlap? I don't really say that, but I think it. It's the day you waited your whole life for. You're in this gorgeous white dress. Everything is spectacular. Why are we going down to burlap? My cousin's daughter was married and she said she wanted burlap and canning jars. I asked her if she was marrying one of the Clampett boys. But the day of her wedding, I did reclaimed wood boxes with a beautiful English garden, celadon wheat, which is like a rustic little wheat, seeded eucalyptus berries, blue thistle, a sea of English flowers. It was spectacular. And my cousin came up to me, he's a very wealthy banker, and said, thank God you did this wedding, and we don't have that burlap wrapping everywhere. His daughter was spectacular. She would have looked silly amongst canning jars. So I like rustic, yes, but it should be done well. It should be done right. I know a lot of you are still into looking for burlap and canning jars, so I want to hear from you what you think of that look. Let me know what your experiences were. As a florist, it's my job to up people's viewpoint 10 times more. So when they walk in on the day of the wedding, they go, oh my God, it's so spectacular. So I think a little rustic goes a long way. I think you can add touches of rustic to any wedding. You can make it rustic chic, but it still should be glamorous and beautiful and gorgeous. You should feel like that Estee Lauder model floating amongst the crowd. Everybody just loving your flowers. I am on Instagram at Michael Gaffney Flowers. If you like that rustic look and want to tell me about it, leave your comments below. If you're not so rustic, leave those comments too. And my website is flowerschool101.com.